Hello, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Delly Ranks today released his 8th studio album, which is aptly titled Silent Giant. The 11-track album was co-produced by his Pure Music Productions imprint and the UK-based label Stingray Records. Silent Giant features songs such as Special Lady, Mama Love, Settle Down, Battlefield, High Grade, and Good Looking Girl, me. The artist said, quote, "We've been working on this project for a while and we're pleased with the outcome. I think it's my best album so far, and I'm happy that after so many years in the business, I'm still making hit music." End quote. The chart-topping DJ, who is also a Grammy award-winning producer, is confident that the album, which is his first full-length reggae project, will be warmly received by music lovers worldwide. This album is loaded with songs that will resonate with people all over the globe. He added, quote, "It's my first reggae album and it's a very good body of work. I recorded it to pay homage to all the artists and producers before my time who worked hard to make reggae an internationally known genre. I salute all of them." End quote. The first single of the album, Mama Love, will see the music video being released on Delly Ranks' birthday on October 14. Silent Giant is distributed digitally by J1 21st Distribution. The hard-working entertainer is scheduled to visit the UK to promote the album before the end of the month. He is also scheduled to go on a tour of Australia in November.
Look how you feed me, then you bathe me and you put me to sleep. Me go gaga, then you teach me to speak. You wash me gum because you want to see me teeth. The strongest girl me know because you never yet wake.
Dancehall artist Vybz Kartel's new EP True Religion is set to be released this month. The world boss dedicated his new single to his new girlfriend, who he recently introduced to the social media space. Kartel, whose given name is Adidja Palmer, is expected to release the new project on September 30. Now, he announced the project on his official Instagram page, where he posted a short video including the photo of him and his new girlfriend and the True Religion cover art. Vybz Kartel has been behind the bars for the past 10 years, but manages to continuously release material for his fans. He is currently awaiting his Privy Council appeal and has been receiving support from his fans and artists.
God sent you for me. I know God sent you for me. Got my true religion.
Now onto the international scene, where Taylor Swift on Wednesday tweeted, "Midnights, the stories of 13 sleepless nights scattered throughout my life will be out October 21. Meet me at midnight." Taylor, who won Best Long-Form Video and Video of the Year at the 2022 MTV Video Music Awards held last Sunday, was the only artist to double up in the televised awards. The American singer-songwriter has yet to announce the first song from the album. Midnight will be Taylor's 10th studio album and the 5th project in just over 2 years. I'm Daedran Gordon with your weekend edition of E-Prime. Thank you for watching. Be safe.